If you're not using AI to gain an advantage in dropshipping in 2025, you're probably going to get left behind. You will be replaced by AI, or your competitors will literally run laps around you if they're using AI and you're not. So I want to help out you beginners and those of you who are tired of the time that it takes to list and then test countless products. So I'm on a brand new Shopify store. As you can see, I've literally just created this. So there's a bunch of AI apps out there, and a lot of them are those gimmicky AI store builders, which all for the most part do the same thing, right? But the only one that I've actually know of that I heard is pretty decent from people who are high level in the game is Atlas, okay, which I vetted myself. I had a look at the website and all the features. I kind of had a look at the demo to see if it was any good. This is the store builder which I guess I can recommend because there's a lot of YouTubers talking about it right now. Atlas is basically an AI store builder, right? The pro of this is you can create a dropshipping store within minutes. Then you can use the bundler to create upsells and AI product photos, which we're going to get into. Now, Atlas basically takes out the guesswork of creating high converting dropshipping stores because it's already optimized for you, and it uses AI to basically build a completely ready, done for you store, which is unique, ready to sell in just a few minutes, right? All you need is one product link, which is pretty crazy. You just need a single product link. This is going to be great for beginners. I know a lot of you guys on the channel are asking me for beginner content, so hopefully this should help you. It's fast, it's easy to set up, and people who are a little higher level, for example, people who are like on my level, at the advanced level, and then people who are way above me because I'm just a small fish here, they will benefit mainly from the rapid product testing, because this is going to save you a whole bunch of time listing products. You can just paste in the link, optimize the store for that product, and then go and test it, right? And there's a bunch of customization options. Now, the good thing about Atlas is it has a pre-made theme with it, so you don't need to configure anything. It has custom themes. It's optimized in terms of its layout for sales. This is basically optimized for the conversion rate, so it's proven to sell. It's optimized as a funnel, so you don't need to even worry about that, even if you're bad at marketing and creating funnels. It has AI image optimization, and it's just a really cool app I've heard about. So this is just a Shopify app you can install on your store. It's super simple. It's easy to install on a new store. We're going to install on this store, and we just click install. And I'll also be sure to leave the link in the description down below for the app so you can go and install it easily. And I'll also put in the description the link below to the website. So all you need to do is basically on the website, just click build my free store, and it'll take you directly to the app. They claim to let you build a website in just 60 seconds, which is pretty crazy. I'm going to show you the demo website soon. You have 30 additional sections you can customize, so after you import it and set up the store, you can customize everything with 30 additional sections. These are all built into the theme for you, so you have everything from brand identity, featured products and collections, image with text, multi-columns, multi-rows, all the default Shopify stuff, and then some. And there's a lot of different customization in this, as we mentioned before, but what's really cool is this bundler feature. So if you want to boost your average order value to make yourself more profitable, once you find that winner, you are going to need a bundler to actually upsell them and cross-sell them with certain offers. So this is key. Usually you have to pay for a separate app for these, but since it's built into the store builder, this is going to be really invaluable to you guys. So you don't need to pay for additional apps or incur extra costs. It's all an inclusive thing. So there's also some frequently asked questions here, but I just want to get into the details and show you guys this actual app. So I'm going to click install. I'm going to set this up and show you just how quick it is. So just click install. From here, Atlas will open. So we have a few different tabs. We have store builder, product pages, bundle deals, AI product photos, and your stores. You can import from many different sources. We have AliExpress. So this one is basically if you already have your product listed, you can then search for it, filter it, and generate your store based on the product you've already imported, which is super cool. We're going to go with AliExpress. So in AliExpress, we're going to find a product to import. Find the product you want to import on AliExpress. I'm going to do this crystal hair razor. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to right click and press cut. I've got the product link. We're going to go into Atlas, and we're going to paste the product link here, and then we're going to press generate store. From here, it's literally as quick and as simple as that. In under 2 minutes, sometimes quicker, it's going to import this product data from the link you've supplied. It's going to then generate the store theme based on that product, set up the whole system, configure the shipping options for you so you don't even need to do all the technical details, and finish your store. And from here, it's going to let us see the supplier's images and select the photos we want. We can select more, or we can leave it on the default 4. We have a nice before and after picture here. We have some HQ, HG details, close-up shots of the product on a white background. So we're going to use these images. You can see we can also upload more images if we have them saved on our computer as well. So we're going to press continue. This moves us on to store customization. So from here, it'll show us a preview of our store on the right hand side, and it's given us a store name already, Silk Arrays, based off the product. It's even given us a brand name, which is crazy. So now we're going to select the house style of our brand. Now I'm going to select some kind of purple because we want this to be like a female brand. So if I can just get a lighter color so it actually looks legible, right? Now I'm going to generate this as if I'm a beginner, because maybe I don't have website skills. Maybe I just want to generate this website quickly. Now you can spend some time. You can select these default color palettes, or you can do it manually. And from here, we can just press continue. Now to import the store, you are going to need to subscribe to the plan. So if you use Atlas 15, which is a code, you can directly find that code linked down below. You can get 15% off for the first 3 months of the monthly plan. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to select start 3-day free trial, and then I'm going to skip ahead and type in my card information. So you get 3 days for free before you have to pay for the trial. So from here, once you subscribe to the plan, it's just going to import your store. So you just need to wait now. So all the edits we've made, all the theme which we've customized, everything's going to sync and import. And you can see the store's been imported. So we just click view store, and you can see literally in like a minute or less, we've just generated a Shopify store. This thing would usually take you hours to do. We've just imported it. From here, under themes, it'll show Atlas theme. So now you can see the store is now live. So we can either publish it, so we can just press publish to make that live in our store. We can also press customize. So press on customize. So from here, you want to click the app embeds on the left hand side and tick this where it says Atlas AI Store Builder. This is enabling the app on your page, and press save. So let's see what it's made for us. So it's made us a store. We still need to actually change this to our brand name. It's given us an about us page for the brand, what our brand's all about. It's given us a partner section, so now we can change these to different logos of other brands. It's given us our flagship product over here, and it showed us the key features of the product. And what it's done is it's automatically put that before and after style picture of the product in effect. Somehow with AI, I guess, using its magic, it's just figured out what that is, and then it's also put the key features next to it. That's the perfect image it could have picked, which is pretty crazy. It's done us versus them, so comparing our product versus the brand. That always works well. We've got a review section. How many customers did this help with a percentage, and what did they experience based on the feedback? We have reviews, 4.8 out of 5 stars. We have our warranties. We have the brand name here, Silk Arrays. It does have powered by Atlas here though, and it has this information, but we could just easily just change this. So we could just type in like support@silkarrays.com. So we can change all the information here, and then we can customize it. And we can change powered by Atlas and just put Silk Arrays 2025. So we can change literally everything in this store theme, and then we can make it go live. So this is what is done with very basic customization. It's also put us an offer on the top as a suggestion, which is great. So free shipping on orders over $50. And we can also go into mobile view. This is what it's going to look like on mobile. So this does all the heavy lifting for you, and then all you need to do is just maybe switch a few colors around, add a bit of extra information, but it does like all of the legwork for you literally in like a minute. And then we can also click on the product over here too. It's given us the product, it's given us a compare at price, it's already taken care of all of the product benefits for us. It's set up some nice HD images. Now one thing that I set in the theme, obviously we can change that as well. We can change some of the accent colors, like we want to maybe change that to black and then the background to white. So you can change some of the things because I set up the colors a bit wrong, but as you can see, pretty crazy stuff. I'm also going to change the button color here for an example, so we can customize it a little bit. We've got some mini reviews here from customers. We have the product description over here. Discover the painless way to smooth skin. The innovative tool provides effortless hair removal. So using AI, it's actually given us some pretty solid product copy as well. They have most common questions. They have an FAQ already built in. They have trusted by, and then we could change these to be different platforms or news outlets. We have very similar stuff to the homepage, but on the product page's funnel. This is literally everything you need to actually sell a product. Obviously, like, you'll need to customize this a little bit, but I'm actually really impressed by AI. So now I'm also going to show you this example. So this is also another store. This is actually the example. If you go on the Atlas page and click view demo store, this was made with Atlas as well. As you can see, same kind of heading. So this is also impressive. This is the Luminix Beauty Wand. Boosts collagen, revives dull skin, fades acne scars and sun damage, reduces puffiness and under eye bags, even skin tone, and reduces dark spots. This is a really nice, attractive looking website, and I'm just showing you this as an example to show you if you customize it to fine tune it just a tiny bit, like adding the logos here for the news outlets, switching things up a little bit yourself. This is literally what is generated 90%, and then they've fine tuned it by adding some extra stuff. And this looks like a really attractive website, especially with the advent of these gifts that they've added. It's just genuinely a really attractive looking product funnel, and this could definitely really sell because this is basically built by dropshippers. So it's optimized for conversion rate, so it has high conversion potential, as you can see as we scroll down the funnel. So this app is going to give you the clear best odds. It's even giving you a sticky add to cart here as well. So this is just generally, from what I'm seeing right now, an actual really good tool. And then if we go back to apps here and we click on Atlas, we can go back into the app and you can see the example of the store here, which I just showed you. Now, if we go on product pages, you can also generate a product page for the existing theme. So I could tick this and press generate product page, and then I could paste in the link here and directly generate a product page like we did before. There's also bundle deals. So if you didn't know, I think I mentioned it earlier, they do actually have a bundler which is built in. So you need a bundler to increase your average order value, because dropshipping can kind of be very unprofitable at certain stages, and if you need to scale, you need to obviously increase the AOV, average order value, of your store. So you can do this one way by doing upsells and cross sells by using a tool like a bundling app. Now this app is built in, so we just press create bundle here and we have a bundler built in to Atlas, so I don't even need to pay for another app. Name, we can just type in name or something. Bundle and save or buy more save more, for an example, all the default stuff. Then you can change the add to cart button text, so I'm going to leave it by default. We can select the products, all products, specific products. We can select the crystal smooth eraser, so we can create a bundle based on the product we imported. We can also change the size of the preview image and the radius of the image there. We can do the price per item, and we can tick compare price, displaying or not. So the offer one, we could just do by default. You want to leave this as 1 because that's like the regular offer. You want to go to offer 2, buy 2, and then we could select percentage, and we'll do 20% off if we buy 2. So buy 2, 20% off, and then we'd say most popular here, so people select it. And you can add things like free shipping or free gift. So there's a lot of things you can do with this, and you can also add another upsell here too. So our upsell offer, we could add another product if you've got others. We can also change the design. There's a lot of customizability. You can just publish this to your store, and if you have the pro plan, then you now have bundles on your store. As for AI product photos, this is also a really cool standout feature I want to mention. These are all examples of AI product pictures generated with Atlas. They actually look really nice. Now I'm going to show you a video of this in effect. So basically what you need to do is you need to type in the model name of the image. You select the images at the top of your product itself, and then you can also upload your own photos in the filter below, and you're basically training Atlas's AI model to generate you really high quality AI images. So it has to learn from the images of your actual product, so then it can generate and output images which look the same as that product. Because if you just use a normal AI tool, let's say ChatGPT, it's going to output a generic picture which looks nothing like what you're selling. But with Atlas, we literally just grab a few photos from our product, in this case these slippers, and we upload them, and it will train off those pictures as data, and then it will generate as really nice images. Images like this, for an example. He's going to input some of these images here from his product listing, and then he's literally going to select training speed. You can do it quickly, or you can take longer if you want it to be more accurate. And then after that, he'll train it, and then when it says succeeded, he then inputs a prompt where he describes what his product is, so that the app better understands what it is too. This makes it more accurate. You can also use an AI suggested prompt, and then what he's going to do is he's going to generate some product images from this, and it's going to output AI images which actually look exactly the same as his product, which is crazy. You are going to have to go in Photoshop and modify these a little bit, maybe add your logo onto the box, etc. But this is like unheard of. This is just showing you guys what's actually possible with some of these AI apps now, and how you can use them for dropshipping. Things are getting crazy, trust me. I didn't even know most of these apps could do these things, okay? So if you guys want to use AI, do check out this tool. I'm going to leave it linked at the top of the description. This is the best AI store builder which I could find. There are some others out there, but they weren't really as good. So you can click the link down below to install the app, and also if you want to check out the website, a few more information about it. And also, if you want to find out how I did some serious revenue last year with Shopify dropshipping, figures like what I'm showing on screen right now, which are directly taken from my stores. These are my screenshots. Do click the link down below too. You can join the school community if you want to skip all the headache of learning and all the time it takes. You can learn directly from me. I do post my private strategies in there. I do post updates for the community. There is nearly 100 members in there, people already doing it. So don't waste time, jump inside, and there's a lot of beginner resources in there and also advanced techniques. So you guys who are a little bit more advanced and you want to know what's working right now, I am actually dropshipping. If you want the proof, go on my channel right now, watch all the vlogs. I've been uploading vlogs recently showing that I actually do this, okay? So unlike the fake gurus, we are sell dropshipping, I am running a branded store, I am testing everything, reporting back what works, and then showing you guys. So if that's something you want to join the community. If you're sick of all these course sellers who are selling you outdated information, join us inside. We're growing it this year, we're posting so much value in there, and there's a bunch of you guys already getting to work, and some of you guys who have also made some wins too. In the last few weeks, I saw some pretty cool updates from you guys. One guy was making some serious money with a winner he found on TikTok, which is super cool. So do join, check out this tool too, and I'll see you soon.